hope you are all doing well. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time, and thank you so much for choosing to watch my video. Today I prepared these beautiful walnut crescents. This is one of my favorite recipes or one of my favorite sweets because the pastry is just so soft and delicate, and you don't have to use the walnut filling. You can also use jam or cream cheese filling if you prefer that, and it's really delicious. If you want to see how I make these, please continue watching, and thank you in advance. Have a great day. Prepare your mixer and put the following ingredients in the bowl. 225 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 125 grams of softened butter, 75 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. You can see that it's almost 1/3 of a cup, a pinch of salt, and now we're going to add 2 egg yolks. Just put the egg whites in 2 separate bowls. So 1 egg white in a bowl and the second egg white in a cup. And for now, put the egg whites in the fridge. Use the dough extension and mix the dough. Once the dough is connected, get it out on your surface and work the dough together into a compact round ball. Wrap it with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to chill for 30 to 45 minutes. For the filling, mix 180 grams of walnuts with 1 of the egg whites and add 110 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. And create a paste. And transfer the filling in a bowl. Once the dough is chilled, put it on a scale and we have to divide it into 5 equal pieces. So in my case, I'm going to divide into 5 pieces, each 94 grams. Just connect it together again. So put the 5 pieces back into the fridge. Now prepare a large tray and line it with a parchment paper. Now flour the surface slightly just to prevent sticking and roll out circles that are approximately 2 millimeters thick. And work with 1 piece at a time and leave the rest in the fridge. Now using a knife or pizza slicer, divide into 6 triangles. And using a teaspoon, grab a small piece of the nut filling and place it onto the dough. Once you have the filling inside, move the top corners and connect it to the dough right here so the sides are aligned, and then finish the rolling just like that and put it on the parchment paper. Let me show you another one. Take the dough from the top, stick the sides together so it's in line here, and then just roll it out and put it on a parchment paper. Now take the second egg white and whisk it. And this amount of dough will provide you with 1 full tray of walnut crescents. And at the end, I'm just gonna brush each one of them with the whisked egg white. And now put it into the oven until nice golden color. And I got the crescents out in 23 minutes exactly. You see the nice golden color. And as the last step, I'm gonna sprinkle them with some powdered sugar And the beautiful walnut crescents are done.